Today we're checking out the new Glimmies Aquaria range.
They're in the shops now.
We have the Glim Aquarius, the Glim Splash and 2 single Glimmies today.
Don't forget we have 3 more Glimmies to open. Ooh.
Let's start off with the Glim Splash set.
You will open up the aquarium and fill it with water.
Here's some water we prepared earlier.
Then all you do is put the Glimmy in the water.
Whoa, that's cool.
Yeah. Now let's open up the Glim Aquarius. In the set you get an area and a tub.
And here's some water I prepared earlier.
Then just put Nari in the water.
Do you think they need some friends to play with?
Yeah!
This is Octopia.
Wow! And this is Alga. Wow!
This is Medusa, Undina,
And Coraline. Now let's add all of their friends to the tub.
The great thing about Glimmies Aquaria is there are some other cool places you can use them. It's so cool we can take the Glimmies in the bath with us.
Watch the Glimmies light up under the water. And you can bring them to the swimming pool.
Let us know in the comments below which Glimmy you got.
See you next time on ToysWorld. Bye!